Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Cemetery. Cemetery means large burial ground. For example, a military cemetery. A military cemetery. Synonyms: graveyard, churchyard, burial ground.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. As a result, councils, as the burial authority, must keep cemeteries safe. Now, repeat after me. As a result, councils, as the burial authority, must keep cemeteries safe. The second exempli. Funerals are held in churches, and burials are in churchyards or public cemeteries. Now, repeat after me. Funerals are held in churches, and burials are in churchyards or public cemeteries. The third exempli. Christians conduct burial rites in cemeteries, and some groups visit special sacred areas. Now, repeat after me. Christians conduct burial rites in cemeteries, and some groups visit special sacred areas.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
More English words begin with the letter S than with any other letter.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.